I'm the new 3 and I change. White Iverson.
Hey everyone, it's Marissa, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look that I have on right now. A simple glam look. Today I'm going to be doing kind of like a first impressions / one brand makeup look with the new makeup brand called COL-LAB. This is just a bunch of influencers that got together to make this makeup brand. Available online, and it's available in Sally Beauty Supply stores. It's available in the US and Canada. I hope that they do make it internationally available. I know that it's still newer, so maybe that's why it's just available in the US and Canada. Sorry to exclude any of you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys some of the products and obviously test them out and give you guys my opinions on all of them specifically and show you this cute little tutorial, you know. Let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so let's get on with the tutorial part of the video. I did use, before I took off my makeup, I should have done it on camera, but I didn't. But I did start off by using the micellar cleansing water by them. I really love this stuff. I feel like my skin honestly feels so good right now. So yeah, let's start off. I'm just gonna do my makeup how I normally would. So the brow pencil I'm going to use is this Shape and Shade brow pencil. This one is in rich brown. It looks like this. It's like a little triangle. So it reminds me of the Anastasia brow definer pencil. Okay, it applies very, very nice. I'm like barely pressing and it's just, I made this one a little too big. Okay, so it's okay. I'm gonna brush through them with this. I do like it. Clean it up, I'm going to be using this concealer. It's their liquid concealer, no flaws. And I have the shade Beige Tan. You guys know I'm really picky about my concealer. Okay, so I just put some on my hand, and then I'm just taking the normal concealer brush that I take, and then just carving them out. I do really like this concealer. It's blending really nice. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer under my eyes before I put on foundation. Okay, so I just put some concealer in my problem areas, like under my eyes, my nose, my chin. Okay, so here is the foundation. They have technically 3 lines of foundation. So they have this one, which is the Meet Your Match, and then they have the Shine Bright, which is more of like a dewy finish. And then they have a skin tint, which is more like a BB cream type of thing. So I'm using this Meet Your Matte, the matte one. Yes, and I am in the shade Beige 04. There's 10 shades in both. Ow! There's 10 shades in both line, but I'm going to be swatching the shades. It goes by numbers and they have names, but it's like 1 through 10. So at the end of the video, I'm going to swatch them all on my arm, so stay tuned if you want to like kind of, or skip forward, whatever. If you want to check out all the shades and stuff, just see if they have your shade or what shade you would be. Hello, is anybody home? And they do have their own little makeup. So this one, I actually really like the cut of it. I've never seen anything like this. It has like, obviously the flat side, and then it has like a cut off bottom, which is nice as well. But it also has like these lines in it. Like it's all their packaging is kind of like this, so it's cool that it all matches. But yeah, I did wet this one. I normally don't wet my beauty blender just because those sponges are a little, I don't know, like they're just a different density. I do like the sponge just a little big. I don't know if maybe that's just because I wet it. Hello, hoop, get out the way. So it's a pretty good coverage. It'd probably be a fuller coverage if I wasn't applying it with a wet sponge. Really liking this foundation. Okay, so after that, let's put on some more concealer, even though honestly, I don't even really feel like I need it. Like, this foundation is really full coverage. So yeah, the concealer again, it's in Beige Tan. This could be a little bit lighter. Again, I normally like my concealer to just be a little bit lighter than my skin. This brow is gonna bother me. Yeah, it blends out really nice. Not to say that I wasn't expecting a lot, but like it doesn't even look cakey. What? Okay, so next I'm going to take this Kill the Shine pressed powder in Ivory Sand. That it has a mirror and a little sponge to put it on with. I'm just using this like flat top brush. I like to take a pressed powder and kind of like pat it into my skin, and then on top of that I like to bake, so like I know this ain't coming off. So yeah, we're gonna do it up. Okay, so this is a little bit dark for me, I feel like. It could be a little lighter. Also, this brush is pretty nice. It's really dense. Okay, so after that, I'm going to put on this loose setting powder, and this is in Sand Beige. Hopefully this isn't too dark. I'm a little scared this might be dark. But I'm really excited that they have a loose powder. Like, They really included everything in this line, I feel like. So it comes with a little puff, which is nice. Although I prefer to use a sponge. I'm just gonna put some under my eyes. Yeah, definitely that powder was a little dark now that I'm looking, but so I'm just gonna put some under my eyes and my nose. It's a little dark for me. Your girl needs to go get a tan. So I'm not baking as much as I normally would just because I can already tell it's too dark for me. So I'm going to be going in with this little palette, Best of the Day, I think is the name of this, Best of the Day. Yeah, here's what it looks like. Cute's cute. And I'm just going to start off with this blending brush. I'm taking this kind of nude color. Okay, that's what I want. And I'm just putting it all over my eyes as just a kind of base color. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go up into this warmer brown. So I'm just gonna start that in the crease. I think I want to kind of do a lighter look. I don't want to go too crazy because I want to do a bold lip. I'm gonna go all the way in. I think I'm gonna do some kind of halo eye. I really like the pigmentation of this. I'm super picky about eyeshadows, if I'm picky about anything, so I'm a little impressed. Okay, so I'm just gonna go a little bit darker. I'm gonna take this burnt orange color real lightly and just like on the inner, like close to my crease where the halo eye is gonna be. Oh, hello pigment. And doing the other eye, and I have to switch the battery on my camera before it dies. So now that I have that on, I'm going to go in with a pigment because I kind of want to do a shimmery but light look, you know. This is one of their pigments. They sent me 3 of them. I don't know if that's all they have or not. But it's in Rage. It's like this really pretty champagne-y color. So I thought that would be really pretty for like just kind of doing the halo eye. Yeah, I'm just going to put it on with a flat shader brush. Oh, hello, honey. Okay, so I just finished blending that out. I'm in love. And I was gonna do lashes, but I don't even think I am now. Like, I really just like this simple type of look. So yeah, I was going to go in with this liquid eyeliner, but I am gonna go in with this Killer Kohl self-sharpening eye pencil in Vixen, so it's just black. So yeah, I'm gonna put some of this on just around my lash line, just like that, so when I put on my mascara, it's gonna kind of boost it up a little. And then I'm gonna put some on my lower lash line, and I'll put some on the outer corner here, just kind of connect. I really like this. This went on so easy. I'm taking this is my own brush, and just kind of dusting off some of that bake that we put on. I'm glad I didn't put on as much as I normally would have because I could just kind of tell it was going to be too dark. All right, and next I'm going to take this bronzing powder. It's a sculpting bronzer in Intoxicating. This actually looks light for a bronzer, but we're going to go with it. It looks a little light. I don't know. All this packaging is like super nice. Like that's the one thing I really like is the packaging. And I'm going in with my own brush, and they did give a cream bronzer, but I'm really not about cream bronzer. So it is really light, but it's still working. It's just if you kind of want something natural. Oh, actually it's showing up way more than I thought. It's really warm toned. This brush I'm so excited for. It's like this slanted, it's kind of thick. I think it's for eyes, but I'm gonna use it as a nose contour brush. Like I think it would be so perfect. This is gonna be my new favorite nose contour brush. And then after that, I'm going to use this blush, and this is in the color Just for Fun. It's kind of just like a mauve-y pink color. Just give me a little bit of color here. Brush, I think this was supposed to be a powder brush. I'm gonna put some on my cheeks. Everything is so pigmented. And then they have this highlighter, and this highlighter is in Glow for Gold. I'm a little bit nervous about this just because it doesn't look that shimmery, and that's kind of my look. Like I go ham on highlighters, so I don't know if this is going to be my style of highlight. It is very pretty. Okay, maybe I stand corrected. It just doesn't look that shimmery, but I'm living for it actually. It's actually really nice. It's not glittery, which you guys know I'm not about glitter, but it is nice and highlighted. I'm really impressed with everything. Like, I feel like I keep saying that. It makes me sound like I didn't have high expectations. Look at this highlight. Hello. Really reminds me of a Morphe. Like, everything's cheap and expensive, but such good quality. Like, that's what this is reminding me of. Now that I'm all highlighted up. So then I'm gonna go in with this brow gel tint holder stuff. It's a little weird. It's like white. It's not clear. But it said, I read it, it said to put it on after. Kind of brush your hairs where they want to go. I don't know if that did anything or not. Okay, and then I'm going to do this mascara, and this is in black, and this is the Works mascara. Oh my god, the one reminds me of the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume, which is like my favorite mascara. Okay guys, so I just finished up by doing my mascara and then putting on this bold lip, obviously. And this is just the liquid lip color in Blood Rush. I'm obsessed. It's just this like fiery red. So I really like this look for the holidays. It has a little bit of shimmer, it has the red lip. I'm obsessed with it. Obsessed with this look. I'm obsessed with literally almost everything in this whole line, and like that's really hard because I'm really picky, I feel like. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you the foundation swatches real quick. I wasn't going to do them all on camera because that would take forever. So I already have them done on my arm. Hopefully you can kind of see them. There is 10 shades. Starting with the first one, it's in porcelain. It's number 1. It goes from 1 to 10. I don't remember all the names. Being honest with you guys, I feel like they could have done a little bit of a better job with adding a few more bit of shade range. They are still new though, so hopefully in the future they do decide to add a little bit more. But yeah, just so you guys kind of know if you could see your shade. I just gotta hold my arm like this so the lighting doesn't screw with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. The link to get any of these products is gonna be down below, as I said in the beginning. I am genuinely obsessed with this stuff. I would not tell you guys that if I didn't believe it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, and yeah.
I'm ballin', I've a song.